Khi Gen Z tham gia chung kết Miss Grand Việt Nam.
Nowadays, many fresh graduates are facing with unemployment while corporations are struggling to find employees. What is your view on this issue?
Chị nghĩ sao về những cái vấn đề đang hot đã chị không biết chị chịu
cười.
Khi Bitu tham gia chung kết Miss Grand Việt Nam.
I think this issue has many nuances that need systematic change to solve. However, I myself believe that we are slowly working towards that change. On the surface, it might seem that young people are confused between choices, but I think that confusion is necessary for them in the process of discovering themselves and what they're actually passionate about. And on the side of corporations, I think it is also time for them to get to understand the young employee more, since they are a more vigorous generation with unique characteristics and passions. For me, this is a sign that shows our society is changing towards the better, towards the future where we have more people who are able to do things that they love. Thank you.
Vỗ tay, vỗ tay, vỗ tay.
Bạn nghĩ thế nào về câu trả lời ứng xử của Bitu? Và nếu là bạn được nhận câu hỏi này thì bạn sẽ trả lời như thế nào? Hãy comment ngay phía dưới cho chúng mình cùng biết nhé. Và follow Bitu ngay để cùng có giao tiếp tiếng Anh trở nên dễ dàng hơn.
B2, talk the way you like.